Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Inner Creativity. So today I am sharing painting tips for you. So let's begin. First is planning. You need to observe each and every object you need to make on the paper and it should be very clear. Second, base of paper. What you have to do is to use simple tape at the corners of the sheet and then start painting, because while painting our full concentration is on the paper, and when it moves our concentration also gets fed up. So do as shown in the video. Remember that the tape should be pasted very forcefully so the paper does not move at all. Now the paint is ready. We are going to paint a sunset field. As you can see, the water drops are fully mixed with water and the painting is going so smooth as shown in the video. While painting with sponge, you can use dry paint or you can dip in water and squeeze it and then use. Both will bring good effects. You can see how the sponge is doing its work. This is the wet technique. You can also use the dry technique as well. Do not throw the damaged brushes. It will help for making patterns like grass and bushes. As you can see, I have made the orange tone of the sky with these brushes only. So I request you don't throw, it will work in future. So the painting is ready. Hope you like my video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you soon.